Guys, here today I am introducing another one product which is little heavier, but this is a new tool. This is Stanley Spanner Set. Let's look at this. I got it from Amazon for $5.50. Let's check it out how it looks like. Let's see what. Really, this is good packing. Surprisingly, this is good packing for this product. See, the packages got little damaged, but we don't have to mind because which consists the metal material. This is the Stanley Spanner Set. Actually, I got tired to unbox it. See this. This is the Stanley Spanner Set. 12 piece 72,380, and nothing additionally, which is the Stanley is a good company for spanner and tool sets. See, from here we get the 12 spanner sets. This is the bigger one. The bigger one consists of the 32 mm piece, and here the 30 mm. Wow, great product. The smaller one is 6 mm. So we will get the 6 mm to 32 mm. We can see this 6 to 7 and oh my god, 6 to 7, 8 to 9, probably 9 to 10, 10 to 11, like that. Finally 32. Okay, good quality product for 500 rupees. This is, I think this is too worth. Okay, this is the product Stanley. See, it's like good product. And thank you guys for watching, and please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel Get Fully. Thank you. We'll meet you soon. Thank you.